Come with me for a look at the Royal on the Park Hotel in Brisbane, Australia. I stayed here for 4 nights. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here as a guide so you know what to expect and can plan for a better travel experience. Royal on the Park is in Brisbane, Australia. It is an iconic hotel in the Brisbane CBD on Ellis Street. It's right opposite the City Botanical Gardens. This is a 4.5-star hotel and it has a real old world charm about it. I love the timber walls and the cosy, welcoming feel. There is easy access to the CBD from here, a short walk to the Queen Street shopping mall. There are many restaurants and cafes all around this area. The hotel is central to walk to South Bank and river walks. There's plenty of restaurants and shopping very close here in the CBD, and it's only a 10-minute walk from the Brisbane Central train station. I stayed on the 4th floor. You can take the elevator or the stairs. I stayed in room 422. There is a sturdy bench for your suitcase. There is a lovely winged chair to sit in and relax, and a desk to get your work and admin done. Drinking glasses, tea and coffee are provided, and a mini fridge. The wardrobe has hanging space and drawers. There's an ironing board and an iron, a safe and a hairdryer, all for your usage. The bathroom has a shower over the bath. Shower gel, shampoo and conditioner are all provided. The bed was very comfortable. I had a lovely 4 sleeps here. The view overlooks Ellis Street and out over the Brisbane City Botanical Gardens. Let's take a walk down to the pool. Actually, before we go down, let's look at the view from the end of the hall. Royal on the Park has large event rooms for hosting conferences, events and weddings. There is a lovely pool and a spa. You can order drinks at the lounge bar in the hotel and take them to the pool. They'll put them in plastic. The hotel has a lounge bar where you can enjoy light meals and snacks and drinks. There is a walnut restaurant in the next room for fine dining. I had a lovely stay at the Brisbane Royal on the Park Hotel. The staff were really lovely too, and I highly recommend this hotel if you're staying in Brisbane. Happy travelling!